Binoo, look! It's snowing! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I just love the snow. I can't wait to get outside and play with all that nice, fluffy snow. What about you, Binoo? Oh, you know what, Binoo? I think I'm gonna have to go outside and take a tiny little peek. It's snowing! It's snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing. It's snowing! It's snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Oh, Binoo, oh, I'd better bundle up too. It's cold out there. I want to be extra cozy, so I'm going to wear... 1! 2! 3 hats! Okay, Winter, here I come! Oh, Binoo, I'm going to need mittens, too! La, 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 la. Not in there. Not there either. They don't seem to be anywhere. Come on, Binoo. Let's go and find my lost mittens. Blankets all blankety. Pillows all pillowy. Patchy patch aboard. Vroom vroom and wow, there's so much snow it's hard to see. Mittens, where are you? Hi, Mr. Snowman. Have you seen my mittens anywhere? I guess not. Binoo, look! An igloo! Wow! Huh? Oh, and Dustaroos! Hi, Dustaroos! Oh, it's so nice to see you in this icy, snowy place. Oh, maybe you can help us, Mr. and Mr. Dustaroo. You see, my head is super cozy, but my hands are freezing. Have you seen my mittens? Wait a minute. What are you wearing on your head, Mr. Dustaroo? It's my mitten. Oh, Mr. Dustaroo, that mitten looks so nice on you, but I really, really need it. My hands are so cold. Do you think I could trade you one of my fabulous hats for my mitten? Pretty mitteny, please. Oh, so warm. Oh, and you look very stylish in that hat, Mr. Dustaroo. Don't you think so, Binoo? Well, we better go and find my other mitten. Thanks, Dustaroos. Stay warm in your igloo. Bye. It's snowing again. Whew. This mountain is huge. Oh, maybe my mitten is at the snowy top. Let's climb all the way, Binoo, and find out. Keep going. Almost there. Woo! Oh, hello, Mr. Elephant. Oh, I didn't expect to see you here at the top of the mountain. Mr. Elephant, what do you have on your trunk? Is that... my mitten! We found it, Binoo. Oh, listen, Mr. Elephant. I know that you need something to keep your trunk warm, but I really need my mitten back. Do you think that I could trade you for one of my nice, fuzzy, cozy hats? It's time to do a switcheroo. Oh, look, mitten number 1 and mitten number 2. Oh, don't worry, Mr. Elephant. I haven't forgotten. Here comes my hat. Just have to pull it up here and getting it almost. There. That should keep your trunk warm. Thank you, Mr. Elephant. All right now, Binoo, let's go home and play in the snow. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, Binoo. Binoo, wait for me, Binoo. Binoo. Binoo, I've got my warm winter hat on and my 2 favorite mittens. I'm so warm and cozy. I'm all set to go outside and play in the snow. Let's go. Go. What's the matter, Binoo? You're right. It's dark out there. I suppose it's bedtime. Oh, well, we can play in the snow tomorrow, right? Right. Woo! Uh-oh. Binoo? Have you seen my scarf? We'll look tomorrow, Binoo. Good night.